What's up, guys? First vlog of 2019. We're here in the E46 M3. We haven't really talked much about this car, but today we're gonna do a bunch of maintenance. We got oil filter, fuel filter, cabin filter, trans fluid, diff fluid, spark plugs, right? That's it. We got all that to do. We're going down to Harbor Freight to get a pump to pump fluids into the trans and the diff. Hopefully it all goes smooth, and then tomorrow I can do a car review on this car. And then I got a car review on an all-track coming up, and an Alpha, and a bunch of other cars. I'm gonna start doing car reviews again. We got autocross in about a week, and I put like 1,500 miles on my BCs, and got an alignment on those as well, and they feel fucking fantastic. So there's a review for those coming soon as well. The DCC deletes I had bought when I put the coilovers on were for the Audi S3. They didn't work, so I just sold those. My new ones will be here Tuesday, along with spark plugs and Haldex fluid and pump seals. So we'll be doing Haldex stuff coming up, show you guys how to do all that. But for today, we're working on the Beamer. Boom. We're here at the Auto Hobby. We don't have much time, so I'm not recording a lot, but right now we're trying to knock out spark plugs, oil filter, cabin filter at least. We only have like an hour until they close. So we're gonna come back tomorrow and do transmission in the diff. But it's kind of a pain in the ass. They got like a valve cover over the valve cover to get to the spark plugs. It's weird, but it's cool. This thing's pretty clean. We did find it. The oil leak, I think it's the rear main seal because it's just leaking from like where the transmission meets the motor. So that'll be something to do down the line. Hopefully it's just shitty oil and we replace this oil and it's fine. But spark plug time. So we're back here, round 2 at the Auto Hobby. Gonna do trans, diff, and fuel filter today on her car. Should be able to record a little bit more today. Yesterday we were in quite a rush, but we got the oil, filter, spark plugs, and cabin filter done yesterday. All pretty fucking easy. We're gonna do this and then eat. I'm gonna try and pull her car out today for a review, and then I get to get a ride in the all-track today too, the big turbo all-track. So we'll see how this day goes. About to drain out this here diff fluid. Wonder how nasty it is. If anyone's ever changed it, it's gonna be a good time. Woo! Terrible. Kind of smells like you when you wake up, huh? Stinky. Fun. We used to do the fuel filter. I forgot to record that. It was pretty easy. There's a little Schrader valve in there. It makes it easy to relieve the pressure. You don't have to pull a fuse to do it. And yeah. You having fun? So much fun. Yeah. Well, we did the diff and what else? Diff, trans, fuel filter. She said reverse already felt like 10 times smoother, so we're taking a lap around base real quick and then top off fluids again for the diff and the trans, and then we're going to throw in these new fog lights while we're here since it'll be eye level on the lift. Very excited. The car's making very good progress. The rear subframe doesn't look like it's cracked or anything, so that's A++. It's a big thing on these cars. Bushings really don't look like that bad. We're going to do motor mounts soonish and start replacing bushings eventually suspension, wheels. It's a project. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm excited. What a fun past couple of days. Working on that BMW is actually pretty nice. Working on something different's cool, you know. That valve cover shit's kind of dumb, but everything else pretty simple. No seized bolts, nothing crazy. Fog lights bolted right up. We had a little mishap on the passenger side, but we fixed it all up. Car's looking good, really good. There's still a lot of work to do. The back bumper, front bumper needs replaced or at least repainted. A couple other things, but the car's gonna be sick. I can't wait, especially when she eventually boosts it. Supercharger kits are like $11,000, so that's like meth and like tuning. The one we were looking at, it was like 11,000. Yeah, see, 11 grand. We'll see about it. That's down the road, but I just went out and took a ride in the big turbo all-track. That thing is sick. I can't wait till the tune's finished. It's only at 22 PSI right now, with a lot more room. It's just gonna take a little bit of time, since UM to us, our tuner UM, is either in Blue Water in Denver or bar tuning out in Houston. I heard Dallas has one, but I'm not sure. But either way, it won't be long till that car is where it needs to be, and it's gonna be killing people. It feels nice. It's really, really nice. I'll get a car review of that going once it's done. But I have another video coming out this week. I'll give you guys a full review on the coilovers, and then, like I said, the Haldex DIY. We'll be doing that. A couple other things. We got autocross this coming weekend on Sunday as well, so we'll get to see how the coilovers really do on the track. Super excited for that. But yeah, just stay tuned. I just wanted to make a video. I haven't really had much going on, so I was like, fuck it, we'll pull the camera out, talk, and fuck off. So if you guys want to see anything on the E46, I'll go do some burnouts or something when she's not here. She don't really even let me. I got to drive it for the second time in like 3 weeks yesterday, and it was really nice. That car, once it gets over 4,000 RPM, that thing, and it's NA, it's a 6-cylinder, you know, straight 6. And once that thing gets over 4,000 RPM, it's just, it's so much fun. You guys like my hair? I'm growing my hair out. All right, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you made it this far, with the real MVPs, drop me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the flip-flop. Hey, Bubba, look at you. I just wanted to show the people how big you're getting. 26 pounds now, look at you. Hey, give me a shake. Okay, that's what I thought. Bye.